for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Today we're going to draw a special kind of bird. It's called a parrot. Is that okay?
Okay.
Parrots are very colourful birds. It'll be fun.
Okay.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
Yes, Mikey. Do you like parrots?
Oh, Mikey Guagua.
Yes, they're very beautiful.
Oh, yay.
All right, go and get your marker pens.
Okay.
Isn't this great, Mikey? Are you ready to make some art?
Are you all prepared, Artie?
Yeah.
Should we start drawing our parrot?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's begin with the beak. We'll start on the left side of the page near the top and draw a curvy arc. Then a little hook on the end and another curve in the opposite direction. Let's do a curve down for the bottom part of the beak. Now let's do an S shape at the top. Up and S. Let's do some little wave shapes. They look like feathers. Do you see how they're the same shape as waves in the ocean? Now, from the bottom of that wave shape, do a little curve.
Yeah.
Let's draw a little black dot. That's going to be the eye. Now draw a small circle around that dot. And another circle around that. Another wavy shape. When you're drawing animals, there are always lots of circles and wave shapes. Oh, he looks pretty already. Parrots are very pretty birds. Now let's draw the neck. For this, we draw several triangles touching each other in a row. Do you see how it looks like feathers? More big wave shapes. This is going to be the wing of the parrot. A couple more waves. And join it to the neck with a nice big curve. Let's draw some more wave shapes inside the wing. Let's do another layer. This is going to really help us when we're colouring in. It's looking great, Artie. Joke break? You really want a joke break?
What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot.
A carrot. Mikey, you are so funny. Come on, let's get back to our drawing. Let's draw the right leg. And a nice bird-shaped foot. Now let's draw the tail feather. Let's do a nice big curve from the neck all the way down. This is going to be the parrot's breast. time for the left leg. Let's do some little claws. Claws help the parrots to stand on the branches of a tree because they can grip into the branch. Let's draw the branch. Be careful not to draw over the feet of the parrot. The branch needs to look like it's underneath the feet. Well, that's looking pretty finished to me. Finished. It's time to do some colouring. Finished! Wow, Artie, he looks fantastic. So colourful. I love the red and the blue and the yellow. It's another masterpiece. Well done.
Well, that's the end of this show, but we will see you again very soon.
We certainly will, Betty. I hope you all have an Artie day. Okay, Artie, let's say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.